Today Charles is here with us, coming around with our Alltrack and maybe some other stuff while we're here.
Let's do it. Yeah, so there were 40 colors in the color Spektrum package for 2019 Golf R. This is Ginster Yellow, which you guys may remember is an old Mark III color, so that is one of the main reasons why I picked it. It's actually my second most favorite of the Spektrum package. There's a couple of purples that are pretty cool. This was the first Spektrum car delivered in North Carolina, and the fourth Ginster Yellow in the United States. When the full package shakes out, there'll be around 250 total Spektrum cars in the US, maybe give or take. The numbers aren't finalized yet, so.
We are going to mess with the wastegate to see if we can solve our limp mode problem that continued after the track. We didn't have problems where they didn't have problems, I wasn't there. Running on quarter mile, but it still had some drivability issues where it could hit limp mode. So let's see if we can solve that before these guys track the car again. See how short this is? There's an actual stubby versus a pretend. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Attention, attention. Everyone look at all.
Great, now look what you've done.
What
is this?
Huh?
What is that?
It's a light. I don't know how long it's been in here.
Oh my.
Hey! That is a victory.
This light must have made it to Canada. Flashback. IS38 DIY. Has to be. Either way, Nathan's been driving it for a week.
We didn't leave it in there. It was impromptu engine fixage on the side of the road.
Yeah,
just let me grab this light.
It's like
down
you bring
here.
your toolkit with you in the trunk, you leave your light in there.
You just leave your light in the
Just in case.
What are we doing?
We're doing a rear sway bar. 034 Motorsports.
Whoa! What are you, a postal service delivery man? Oh, there's nothing in the box.
Oh, this box is empty? Pretty sure.
It's right here.
There's this.
It's the directions in the files are in the computer.
Yeah, they're definitely in there. I just don't know how he labeled them.
I got it.
These have these little fittings on here to hook up a grease gun to, so you can lubricate your bushings. There's a little hole on the inside here, lines up a little hole in that there. And you gotta do that from time to time or else your sway bar gets squeaky.
So this should be pretty easy. We have a DIY. Nathan's gonna link it up on a MkVII GTI. This car, we probably can fish it out. Should be pretty easy. I don't know why I'm using this and not just this. Yeah, there we go. Oh yes. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Whoa! Jim? Verizon.
Okay, let's figure out our situation with these.
Yeah, if only there were some instructions or like a DIY video to follow.
If only somebody had a DIY.
Hit it like you mean it.
It's like we're all cavemen, like watching the first one trying to start a fire.
It looks like it's actually moved in place.
I feel like the struggle is super real.
Nathan was way out of his league with that.
Yes.
You know it could just unbolted
Ah, damn it!
with 13 millimeter.
But it's so close.
Can we talk about what Paul's doing right now?
This is one of those things.
I'm getting my swole on.
You're making Nathan really nervous. He's not enough.
No, we did that the first time, yeah. It's like either kind of right or completely embarrassingly wrong.
Hopefully, I gotta get credit for all this. Charles is trying to kill me, first of all.
Hey, they actually tell us to drop the exhaust a little bit when you install
Yeah, we
this.
did. That's all did.
I totally dropped the exhaust.
You just stretch the exhaust.
I dropped it like it was hot.
See, Paul is the only one who's ever broken this car.
False. You broke the axle?
There's pictures of you flying through the air.
There are pictures of me. There are pictures of me flying through the air.
I never. Paul, Jesus, good job. Look at this.
What do you want from me?
Could you imagine if it broke off? You know if it came off like that?
Do that sway bar is because it was loose to begin.
Could you imagine if he was hanging on this and that fell off? Thanks.
You got a dirt bat. I got a little bit of dirt.
That one right in my eyeball.
Literally, both of you have driven this car more than I have.
And you broke it more.
So my question,
Just because I drove it for 40 hours.
has the exhaust been down?
Just because I drove it for 40.
The only time it was down was to do the.
Oh no, the exhaust has never been off this car.
So it was like that.
Yes,
You got it. That's
but it was probably like that when we got it. Should I bring the S4 over? We're gonna have like a 30-foot drag off. We're gonna see who can drag the fastest 30 feet.
Stock
Golf
car.
R with an IS38, stock as not a single thing done to it, versus the I don't know,
fastest Alltrack in the land.
The most, it's definitely not the fastest Alltrack. It's probably not the fastest Alltrack in North Carolina. And then the S4.
just slides.
Ball jumped the line. What you doing, buddy? You trying to figure out your turning radius?
So tight.
And everything, whatever's in the back of the car, is just you can hear it flying forward.
I have 2 basketballs in my trunk.
Big glasses.
I don't know. I think it looks like I won.
Obviously, you should have.
I should have.
500 horsepower.
Whoa.
Ready for Dale.
That was just purely a launch control test, I think.
Yeah.
All right, put your spark plugs in.
Well, I have a fan on there. You guys need to go data log that bitch. We have Unitronic sent us basically preset files for data logging, so we don't have to do anything. You just load them up and it'll run all of our data logging that they require for information they're looking for. That way they don't have to give you like, run this channel and that channel and this channel and this channel. They just give you the file, we load it up, we go drive it, and then if we can get it to hit limp mode, we'll have a data log that we can send back to them.
So this Alltrack, boost, torque,
Boost.
1.
Boost. Torque.
What is this?
Whenever you're ready, dog.
That's out of gear.
It doesn't really feel that fast with all those fatties in here.
They're probably gonna see that too. It's like, the car is not going as fast as it should be.
Well, we did all the data logging.
Enough of this fiddle f***ing around. Did you get it to go into limp mode? No.
No.
You guys suck.
This is driver error.
Or we've mended it. I did also drop a hose clamp inside of this general vicinity. Apparently, I didn't realize this is a gully, and it went inside of there. So I have to retrieve that. You got back in time to get some credit.
On, roll up windows.
Paul just dropped something.
Dang, yo, it's that 20 T20 Torx, isn't it?
It's gone forever, never coming back.
You know what I also realized the other day is we haven't made a video on this car
In a very long
in a
time.
very long time.
Yeah. Well, we got busy. Max did nothing.
I washed my BMW.
He washed his BMW.
I painted my
Also
end
did not offer to wash any of our cars. Make sure I point that out.
We did some
I don't think you
launch
washed
testing.
Yeah, the launch testing was fun. Some data logging.
I filmed the finish line of the drag strip.
Oh,
He did
that's
sit
true.
down
That was
and do that.
very
Give him
impressive.
Slow motion of it now.
I already showed that.
That's right.
I was there for moral support.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Max was there for guidance and
Data
support.
directions.
We didn't go limp mode, so we may have solved our problem with our adjustment. We'll find out soon.
Time will tell.
Yeah. Bye.
Insert other cliche saying by me.